Hello guys, welcome back. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, the number one YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. Remember, if you are new to my YouTube channel, we usually review survey sites, we review proxy sites, undetected browsers, among other tricks and tutorials for making an extra income online. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So today's video is about reviewing a survey site called PanelStation here. Most of you know PanelStation. I want us to check the pros and cons of using PanelStation. First of all, let's start with the cons. The cons or disadvantages of using PanelStation is that PanelStation, once you complete a survey here, the points will be under review, and it can take about a month or two before your points are converted to your points earned balance. And these points earned here, these are not the only redeemable points you can be able to redeem to your account. Another thing, once your points are transferred from review to points earned, the points earned they have an expiry date. So if you don't redeem your points on time, your points will be redeemed automatically by PanelStation and they will be converted into coins. These coins are usually used to between. So whenever your points are transferred from review to points earned, make sure you cash out as soon as possible. Another disadvantage of PanelStation is that they don't offer instant cash outs. Once you redeem your reward, it can take you 3 to 4 weeks before you receive your reward. Another disadvantage of PanelStation, they require number verification in every single cash out, and their number verification is very funny. They have to call you. They can either decide when you're redeeming your reward, they can decide either to call your number and give you the one-time password, or they can even opt to send you an SMS with a one-time password or code to input during your points redemption. Another thing, they only support PayPal for USA PayPal country or whichever country your account is registered on. So that's the major disadvantages of using PanelStation. So the advantage of using PanelStation, first of all, they are beginner friendly. They don't require any form of verification. You only verify your email. That's all. Verify your email and you're good to go. Most country IPs work on PanelStation without any single problem. And another advantage of using PanelStation, they have very high points. You can see here from this is my account. You can see they have very high points here, and $1 is equals to 350 points. So 3,000 points is equivalent to around $8.5. So 3,000 points divided by 350 is around 8.5. So what is 2800 divided by 350, $8. So from these two surveys here, you can be able to make what? $16, like that. But the only problem, before you get your points transferred from points in review to points earned, it can take you months and months. That's why you can see I started earning on PanelStation, but then I stopped because of the wrong duration in transferring points from points in review to points earned, and also the aspect of points expiring when you don't redeem them on time. So if you decide to work on PanelStation, make sure you redeem once your points are from review to points earned, redeem them as soon as possible. You see here I lost around few dollars here. My points got converted to coins without my knowledge. I had no knowledge of that points expiry, but now I know. That's why now I'm making this video to eliminate you guys. So another pro or advantage of PanelStation, they support many cash out options. Let's open. So this is the redemption page. They support so many options. So from yes, this is another good thing. So when your points are from review to points earned, you can come to this redemption page. You can be able to see the number of points expiring, so you can be able to redeem them on time. Remember, once you decide to redeem your reward, they require number verification on each cash out. The verification can be in form of them calling your number to give you a one-time password, or them sending you a text message using having a one-time password or code to input so that you can be able to cash out your reward. So the redemption option, they support Amazon USA, PayPal USA, Target USA, and Walmart USA. They just have these few redemption options. So those are the major pros and cons of using PanelStation. So, and this site is very good for beginners. Yeah, since they have very few disqualifications and they have very high paying surveys. So that is my honest review for PanelStation. If you like this video up to now, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share, comment under the comment section, and I'll be very much grateful. See you guys on my next video, and thank you for watching my videos. Thank you so much.